fellow traders. Um, I want to share my trading experience for the past 2 weeks. Today is Friday, so basically around 2 weeks. A little bit over maybe 1 week is 5 trading days, maybe 8 or 9 trading days. What I did mostly, because I did most of them are correct, but some were wrong. So I have a heavy drawback, but I recovered anyway. Okay. Right now, today I only watched 3 assets: Euro USD, US 500, and gold. Look like I think today is US holiday, Independence Day. So market move very slow. Even Euro USD not moving. You can see the low and higher only 30 pips. Normally can reach 100 pips. Also the US 500, oh crazy, only $20. Normally recently you can $80 to $100. So basically I cannot trade Euro USD, US 500 because they are not moving. Even moving is very marginal, very difficult to trade. So today instead I only trade gold, SEU USD gold. See the chart moving, see, okay, still in the middle, then I cannot please trade. I use the Bollinger Band. When up to the upper, I will sell, lower end I will to the buy. It's a guidance, not absolutely rules, only as a kind of visual guidance. Because I'm trading with my phone, there are no other indicators. I use Bollinger Band. Quite reliable if you used to it. Only one indicator is good enough. I only recently use Bollinger Band. I never use any indicator for past a few years. It's the same thing. When you used to it, it's the same. The key is the price action. You really need to really understand and figure out the current price action. You go which direction, the upper limit, the lower limit. At least you got one of the limit. You can trade confidently. You see. Last Tuesday, I believe, to be exact, I deposited $670. The money I see, the new money come into my bank, is because I'm a Singapore citizen. That's a Singapore bonus. The bonus is because Singapore every year they have a bonus. They call GST, but this year they have virus. They have more bonus. So I see got come extra money. Have nothing to do with it, so I put into Pepperstone. Put into Pepperstone have a very bumpy run. By the end of last week, my balance is 2,700, 2,700. Then just before the market closed, I opened 2 large positions. The market, I shorting the good. The good went up all the way, never come back. I'm nervous because next Monday the market a big gap, so I have no choice to close my losing positions to reduce my balance to 1100. And yesterday my balance up to 4,700 again, close to 5,000. I'm quite happy, thinking, oh, I did so good. Money is easy, money can fall down from the trees. So after yesterday have a big news after the non-farm payroll report. Initially went down all the way, then bounced back all the way up. I never expect it bounced back so hard, so I'm shorting again. So I lost because I worry about the margin call and burst of my account. So I have to close my losing position by hand to reduce the margin. So I 4,700 become 2,000 again. This morning I started with 2,200 because the market will change a little bit. Oh, today I did very well actually. I see current balance is 5, close to 6,000. You see the money I make. This morning I closed losing position around 2,000. You see, one position $100, only 0.1 lot, $100. You see, I closed so many red, all closed. Don't worry at all. Today I made because they calculate from yesterday the floating, so I actually made more, made around 3,000 something. They calculate differently the software. You see the profit 2,000 plus. You see I don't have any commission because I trading good, no commission at all. Because never trade USD that's not tradable. So right now I'm waiting this good price up to the top again around 1776.6 or 9. I will open 2 or 3 lot, not too much lot, too many lot. Then make this balance around 6,000. Maybe I will call it a day. Normally if I trade over time, because you're tired, you will make wrong decisions. Better watch some movies, watch some news, watch some TV dramas. Wait for next week. Anyway, the good normally good very difficult trade. I figure out only for these 2 weeks good already have a very long time bullish run. Very difficult to move up. Already have not much room for the upward trend. So I'm very confident it will stabilize or down a little bit. So I have very limited risk to sell. But this is the video clip for today to share with my fellow traders. Have good luck with your own trading. My plan is this month. Today is just the beginning of this month. Today is the 3rd of June. I plan to make my equity equal to 10,000. From 10,000, then make another plan 100,000, then millions, like this. Got 1 million good enough. Don't want too much money. If you got billions, also not happy at all. Just have enough money to buy food, to travel, have a better life. Thank you. Anyway, have a nice day.